as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Yeah. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. And patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Money moves, daily this should feel from home. I can get cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning, and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me? Catch a pattern while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery.
quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, yeah, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head.
Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, know what I mean? Watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But trading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form. Just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave. But the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Closing up before the rest of the block, now just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, more trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, let's stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow, this ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance, this is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. Morning light creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I left these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth. Beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, in the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments I refine every signal, every sign. Beyond the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart the discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through is sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the learning. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching. Surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, Sip and study slowly, that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything aligns. Peace in my cup, clarity in my signs. Ba-da-ba-dum, watch it flow. Da-dum, let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, 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 now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we're going. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brainwaves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my eyes before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. First light different now. Found my rhythm, found my style. Morning moves, that's my profile.
I saw you trade, raw talent unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch and wait, calculate, time to elevate. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make it move and then see every trade as the lessons sink and fade. Getting stronger day by day, making moves the right way. Learn, trade, win, break it down inside again. Trade, win, make your move and then in the quiet spaces between each decision that you make, feel the pulse beneath the screen. Every choice, every stake. Now I see you've changed, mind and skills arranged, trading with the flow, everything you know, ready for the show. Watch your journey begin. Rising higher, higher, higher. Digital warrior, in sync with the rhythm inside. Every line slide dissolves into pure light, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Clear as water, sharp as steel. Every signal I can feel, dancing through electric waves, finding truth in empty space, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow. Something shifts inside my mind. Numbers start to align. Can't explain this feeling now. Everything slows down. Moving with the rhythm pure. Finding patterns getting short. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves. Clear as morning, sharp as light. Every move feels right. Instinct guides me through the flow. Let the moment go. Every signal crystal clear. What I sought is finally here. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves.
Let it flow through me. Let it show me the way. Let it grow in me. Let me stay in this space.
Found the balance, found the way. Everything in play. Mind and body synchronized. Nothing left to hide. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. I send you this message straight from my mind. When everything clicks, leaving chaos behind. Feel the pulse in my veins as I start to flow. Time starts bending, letting everything go. Racing thoughts slow down.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Rumble. How is everybody today? Just getting back down to this area. This is going to be very, very nice. Hopefully, guys. See how they react here. What could you do before this? Not a lot, guys. Not a lot. Let me turn the mic off thing. Give me 1 second. Good morning, Werner. Good morning, Mr. Y. Good morning, Man of the Woods. Good morning, Paul. I think that's everybody that's here today. Yes. Right. Convict Trader.
You hear me really?
Yep, I can hear you, Paul. Good morning, good morning. I know it's PD. I never knew it was Convict Trader though. When you said "What you fools," I knew it was PD, but Convict Trader, I was not aware that was what your actual name was there. Everything's changed here on YouTube. I love it.
Hey PD, long time no see.
Let's see what we can do here, guys. There is that retest. The box. Here's the area that we had drawn up long ago. This great box here. So we got up into it and then just kind of fell back out. This is the 0.5 of the next wick, and here is the wick fill for the wickless candle to the left. Am I saying we're going up? No, not exactly what I'm saying. This is the move up and the retest. Currently everything's bullish, so I mean that's the only reason I'm looking at that. That doesn't necessarily mean anything. Here, you know, right here, what are we looking at? Come down, we tap this, what's everybody gonna do? Go long. So if we can find a short entry back down into this range because these longs failed, then yeah, we'll go short, right? But everything is bullish, so I'm just saying, you know, these are the bullish targets if we continue to go up. Why is everything bullish? You know, I don't know. Here's the dollar. We're right here at that 99.589. I expect to see something in Dixie here soon, though, right? They say the government's opening back up. They claim that there's 8 Democrats that came together or something or another, so supposedly they're going to open back up. So once the government opens back up, I'm going to assume that we'll see Dixie do something. Wouldn't surprise me if she didn't go down. Because she's rather enjoyed the government being closed.
All of the YouTubers are saying that the opening of the government again should spike the markets. I'm only going, that's what these boys are saying, and they're spectacularly wrong a lot of the times, but that's just what the average YouTuber's thinking.
They're thinking what now? I didn't catch it.
They're thinking that it's going to make the markets pump. I watched all these random boys just to see what their analysis is, and most of the boys were going back to when the last government shutdown was, and then they showed this big increase in the markets. But again, different times.
Yeah.
We're in a different place now, so I'm just telling you that's what the average YouTuber's thinking. So they're normally wrong, but
yeah,
you know.
I mean, I don't know about markets, right? But I could see gold pumping. But a lot of that's got to do with the fact that it would. I mean, maybe it's not the case. Maybe Dixie fares fine, but my assumption, right, is that Dixie's going to go down, not up, because Dixie's been rather loving the government shutdown. We already know she came up a ton since the government shut down. So, I mean, I don't know. We'll see, I guess. She kind of recovered a bit. I mean, from where we were, I guess we've been down a little, but she recovered from down here with this shutdown. I mean, we were down and she made her way back up. She's climbing, looking much stronger than she was prior to shutdown. But I don't know. I guess we will see. Like I said, I'm not sure. I know gold's been moving nice. I mean, I hope you guys agree with me. I think gold's been moving super nice during the shutdown. So my hopes and dreams are that she continues to move nice. Well, that's all I care about, really. Which way it goes, you guys already know, doesn't really mean a lot to me, but I would like to see it continue to move nicely and not get stale again. We'll have to wait and see here. See what this open brings. No top wick there on the 15. Still looking at them bottom wicks, and I don't know if you guys paid attention to this move up. Of course, I just came to the charts this morning and was just looking at it. That was all the wicks, all of our no bottom wicks that we had from this previous move down. So we put every single bottom wick back on with this move back up. Not bottom wick, sorry, top wick. Except for there's 2 here. No, there's 3. There's 3 back up. So that one that I marked out's the next one, and then we got 2 more up. But all them top wicks were missing the whole way down here. Now we put all bottom wicks to recover them. But I did not see any of this. I imagine you probably traded it, Paul. This move up through the open and everything last night. Yeah.
Yep. No, I opened some long on Thursday night, and it's still running. And it's up,
Wow.
It's up 18 grand.
Well, there you go.
I'm just signing up for the fun, just for the crack to see where it goes.
Wow. All right, well, this may be good. If we can get down into here to where they start getting short. See, longs came in when we hit this area. See how we're coming down now? Now we're going to stop those longs out. Come on, 930, give us something good. What do we get? Audio is cutting out for me on Discord. Don't know if it's my PC. I think it's my audio. Is my audio good for you, Paul?
Yeah, it's sounding good. He's having the same problems as Manpour by the sounds of it.
Okay.
But banging in and out for no reason at all, just seems to lose the connection.
Showing you red too. Huh. That's weird.
Generally a software issue by and large, most of the stuff, but that card's relatively simple, so I don't know what the hell it could possibly be.
We'll see on the 5 minute. Hopefully everybody kind of gets this. On the 5 minute, we came in, we touched, longs came in, we came back down, kind of came down into the range just a little, not a ton. Top wick on this candle. Hopefully we get a flip wick, come down and tap this area here would be super nice in order to start thinking about longing this thing back up. I don't want to long it. I mean, it's, some people would say that it's already stopped the longs out. You see how we got a big bottom wick now? Longs came back in. These are the longs that think that the liquidity swept, right? Because we came back down into this range. On the 5, you can see it all. I hope everybody gets this. But what would I like to see? This candle flip, come down here and take these lows again. Hopefully get into this gray box. Actually tap this 0.5 would be super nice. Makes sense, I hope. So essentially that'll be re-breaking this low. Stopping out these longs now. Because longs came in the first time saying, oh, this is structure. We're going to long the structure, you know, level to level traders, structure traders, whatever you want to say. And then your next traders came in, the ones that now the liquidity swept and it's going up. So now we want to sweep them, right? should see a few longs come in right here, right? Because this is the gap. There's the gap. We should see some longs come in off that. What do we want to see there? That's the top of this range. So your next level's here, right? That's why we'd love to see this 0.5 hit.
I'm going to short gold. All right.
Longs in here. Gap getting got. We'd like to see them pushed out. Maybe even a wick put on this candle. I mean, that'd be kind of perfect.
Reality. How do you
Yeah.
switch on the paper trading account option on TradingView?
How do you switch on the what?
The paper trading option. I clicked on this link on TradingView to take me to this trading competition, and they said to click on paper trading, but I cannot for the life of me find.
Yeah, it's on. You push the button up on the bottom that says open panel. You see this? Can you see it on my screen? I don't know. But you pull it up,
Hold on.
and then this is the trade. It's going to pull up a Pine editor. Anyway, and then you go to trading panel. See it there?
Okay, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Trading panel. Yeah.
And then you go to paper trading.
Hold on.
Paper trading should. It looks like it's the first one there. Connect to through our trusted post, and the first one's got trading view. It says paper trading.
Oh, thank you so much. I could not.
Yeah,
see
yeah, for
where the
sure.
hell that was.
For sure. You good here? I'm good. You good? Just now saw that. Maybe just put on. I don't know. I missed that somehow. No, it's been a while. I do not like trading on TV. I haven't really ever did it. I think that well, Mr. Wyway, you're trapped.
What was your reasoning for shorting? I mean, I'm not saying that it won't work out. It should come down here and sweep these longs that came in off this gap. But it's going to go up first. You're going to see the reaction first. Okay. You want to see a push. That's good. It should come down and take out these longs, so you're going to get lucky here. It's going to come down and sweep out these stops, probably, for the traders that came in that traded this fair value gap.
So you're going to get lucky.
But you can't just jump in every time that the candles go red and going down. You will get lucky this time, I'll be honest with you. I told you it'd probably come down here, sweep these fair value gap traders, come down and hopefully put a wick on this candle. Here, they're getting swept right now. So you're going to get lucky this time, but you just can't do this all the time.
I'll be honest with you.
You can't just jump in every time there's a red candle. You got to have
A reason for these things. There was a special one. Oh, I want to talk to you about that too. You said just tell me about on the stream. Yeah. And I didn't see that. Warner, and I would have had the wifey post it if it was there. What it is you get 10 accounts and you only have to pass one of them. So that's how it works. You get 10 25k accounts and you pass one of them, you get funded. That's how that works. What happens at the end of the month? It doesn't renew. You get 10 accounts. Yeah. So you basically go to work on 10 and you try to Crown, it was $9. Yeah, they run a lot of sales like that. And for guys looking for accounts, there should be a ton of sales coming up. I'll try to get wifey to stay on top of it. A little tough, I gotta be honest with you, with everything that we got going on. But with Black Friday coming, there should be tons of deals on sales. I'll try to keep her keeping up on it. But You can't expect her to do that. Well, I'm gonna try to get her to keep up on it as much as we can. But yeah, they'll probably have some more bundle deals too. Third Black Friday drop. Straight to performance count for 159. Ah. Well, that's a good deal there, guys. Honestly, for those that want to go straight to. And you get a bundle too. I wonder if it's a... I guess it doesn't matter. They have 3 bundles and 3 all the way up to 10. So that's what they run. So I wonder how many it is. Not that it matters. Obviously, it's nice to have it as a freebie anyway. But that's a decent deal right there for anybody wanting to go straight to. That is not a bad deal. I mean, PD, we're talking about Leeloo. They've got a straight to funded 50K for 159, and you get a 50K bundle as well on the side.
For $9, you can get 10 25K accounts.
That's what the other one was. Yeah, it was not. It was a bundle. Remember when we talked about the bundles? Basically, you got 10 opportunities to pass. Once you pass one, you go on to funded. So you pay $9 and you get 10 chances to pass.
Wow.
Yeah, so they're going to have some good deals like that coming into Black Friday. We'll see a lot of these deals from a lot of companies, but Leeloo has been having some super good deals. I mean, how does the Edge Enhancer work on the bundle? It doesn't. Well, no, it does. The bundle, you can still use the Edge Enhancer if you're talking about the PA fee and the 1 day to pass. Yeah. If you're talking about those Edge Enhancers, yes. I was only looking at one Edge Enhancer, the PA reducer. Yes. Okay, yeah, that one works. Correct. But the 15 days to pay out does not. That Edge Enhancer, I don't believe, works on the bundles, I think. Does it depend? Okay, it depends on the bundles, she says. So, I mean, you got to be careful and look at it. You have to buy. No. I mean, if you're saying a 5 bundle, a 5 pack, then no. If you're talking about 5 bundles, then yes. But if you're talking about just a 5 pack, no. Each bundle's 1 account. So if you get 10 evals, that's just 1 account for a 10 bundle, or a 5 bundle is just 1 account for 5. So you only pay 1 Edge Enhancer for it.
Does Leeloo use NinjaTrader?
Yes. Yeah. The only thing that I don't like, because I've got Leeloo. I use Leeloo, guys. I like Leeloo. But there's a couple things I don't like about Leeloo. One, that they only use Rhythmic. And I know that's not something that I ever complained about before. But now that I'm gone all the time, it's super nice to be able to use mobile. And you cannot use mobile with Rhythmic. So now the other thing that I don't like about them, and then I'll tell you the thing that you guys won't like about them, and it's really not a thing at all, but everybody likes to get caught in what they like and don't like about things. The other thing that I don't like about them is they make you trade 12 trading days for your lifetime PA fee per month. And to a lot of you guys, that doesn't mean a lot, and that rule will not matter to you. Unfortunately, to me, it does a little bit. It's tough for me sometimes trying to keep up with all of it. The rule that you guys won't like is unless you get an edge enhancer for a 15-day pay, you have to trade for 30 days before you get a payout. 30 trading days. And all kinds of people hate that, but I don't know why. I don't know why that's such a big problem. It kills me because so many people want 1 day to pay out, but yet have never been paid out. So I don't know what the big sensation is with it. Like I've said before, use the cheapest thing you possibly can until you start making money. That's where my thought is, right? Like, who cares if it's 30-day payout if you've got not a whole lot invested in it? Now you take that and you get your payout. I'm kicking the balls. Yes. So unless you're consistently getting payouts, every day, then you're trading enough that you're getting your payouts every day. Then that just doesn't make any sense, guys. You can't really talk. You don't like Top Step's contract restriction, but you only trade 2. I know. That's the whole point. It's one of those things. I don't like it because they let you have, if you didn't get your full contracts in the beginning, I wouldn't complain. If they said pass eval and only use 2 contracts, then I would agree with their rules. But when they say pass eval, right, and this is how I look at it, and any Top Step lovers out there, I'm sorry, but this is how I look at it. They say, okay, you can have, I don't know what they give you, 3. I don't know if it's 8 or 10. Either way, doesn't matter. Let's just say that it's 8 for fun. If they give you 8 contracts pre, that means that you passed the test. Why would you only get 2 once you're funded? That's why I don't like the rule. Not because I want to use more than 2, but just because, I don't think it should be that way. That's all. It's just the thing behind it. Yeah, you can't use them. Yeah, see, and that's the whole thing. It's just like Apex. Apex just had a killer sale here last week. And did I buy any accounts through them? No. I'm not going to buy any accounts through Apex. I'm not going to buy any accounts through Top Step just because I don't agree with the way that they do things. If they change those things, then it's completely different. But currently, I just don't agree with it. And I'm not going to conform to their rules, so. They don't have to have a sale. They have live trading that makes people millions every day. So Top Step doesn't have to have sales. They have live mentors and stuff. Come on now. There's the sweep down. I like no top wick candle too. If anybody's looking for that long, we just swept the shorts out with no top wick. This is a great place. If you're looking to get in, you know where it is. Bang. Short below wherever our low is. I mean, stop loss below wherever our low is. So that will be the one, Mr. Y. I hope you're still not in that short. Or if you are, I hope you're getting out here soon, because if we flip that candle, you should go up. Again, maybe it just goes down. Who knows, right? Who am I to say? What we can do here.
I would try to manage this about where this gap fill is here. For all you guys that do get involved here, try to manage it somewhere around there.
It's completely up to you.
If we can get that push up. If we don't, different deal. Let me measure that out real quick before we get too far going here. Because remember, we never did get that 0.5 tap yet. And if we do get it, obviously we're looking for a new candle. So that's why I say I'd try to manage it. We're probably going to get a second opportunity at this. We're going to get a push up, probably a push back down, and then a push back up.
Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently in the sacred space where patterns race through my mind so clear as others
It may push down though.
when the world's
If we get this tap, it'll be great, but your stop's going to be way too much. We're talking about a 81 tick stop loss. That's the issue.
Good job. Good job getting out of that.
That short. That's going to be too much of a stop loss now, unfortunately. We probably still get that flip. We're going to have to take it on the 15. I'm going to remove this for now. That's the 0.5 we were looking at. So this is, you know, the perfect move up to go up. Not saying we will. We've got no top wick. So if we break these highs, that'll be the perfect move up. But now we have to find a new entry. We're going to have to wait for the 15 or something here. Because
She's fallen. I should have held.
I don't think so. It'll go, but it could go, but I guess if you don't break this high, you should have held. I don't know. Mr. Y.
this quiet room where wisdom blooms.
Click on.
The way this market
I thought you told Paul that you shouldn't have been in the trade and that you made a mistake by jumping in anyway and not following your rules.
diamond hands engage. No more romancing.
If that was the case, then you should have max second trade even bigger.
Oh my gosh. That means you shouldn't have been in it in the first place. So you definitely should not have held. Just say. You should have exited as soon as you got green. Was beat.
Some nice
Yeah.
push down.
Yep, it was.
Putting wicks on left, right, and center. Sweeping VWAPs. Yeah, beautiful.
Mr. Y said he should have held.
I'm only in a sub trade here, and even I would have been out, to be honest with
Yeah.
you. Just looking at it now.
I told him that he told you that he shouldn't even have been in the trade. So
Yeah, it's very hard though to stop yourself whenever you sort of you have an idea where it's going. That's the hard part. Don't take the trade. That's harder than actually taking the trade.
yeah. So if you shouldn't have took the trade, you probably shouldn't have held, right?
It's easy to say that.
Oh my jeez.
Put that wick on. So, that's good. We tapped the 0.5. That's good. We got no top wick up here, but we've pushed down too far. So let's see what we do next here, guys.
We climb. Red or green, I stay serene. Reading signs, making moves.
The Nasdaq's fairly moving today.
Milling into what I got to prove. Discord them, got my back when times get
Oh, look the size of the gap to on the SPY. Whoa.
on track. That's what we're fighting for. Learn, trade, win. Together we
600 thick gap. Going.
Wow.
Yeah. I had a stop loss hunt drawn at 673 and she opened at 677.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, even the Dow. Whoa. This looks like she's basically sweeping all the VWAPs that she left behind from last week. That's what traditionally happens anyway. For the crash in 2008, reality.
Hey, what?
Do you remember the crash? Financial
Yeah.
crash in 2008.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah, yeah.
how quick it happened? I wasn't into figures back then, but I'm just kind of curious, how quick did she come down? Was it over a month? Were you even watching at the time?
Yeah, no, I wasn't watching at all at that time.
Just knew it was coming down.
I had businesses and things like that I was into at that point. I didn't really pay attention to any of this, but it was a mess.
It was. Our housing market has never recovered since.
Finally 20K.
I know. I just wanted to see it pop up. It means nothing, but I'm telling you, man, I think I'm going to become a professional YouTuber.
There you go.
Just sit back, no stress at all.
That works. That works. You can just take over this show if you want, Paul.
Nah,
We already got all the viewers and everything.
Well, a small YouTube channel like this would be grand, but if you want to make the big bucks, you have to be a trading whore and get out there and do all the top step stuff and the Kellyanne and all the other things that he's done. So I think from knowing me that's really not my style. You imagine me trying to be nice to people on YouTube?
19 minutes. So we got 4 minutes for this close.
Short the NQ, Mr. White. That's well. Trying to see what you're looking at. That would qualify as short. We are coming up to the to a level on the Joshim's pitchfork thing, but check out the 5-minute orbital below me. Shit. Can't tell you what to do, my man. Only tell you where the levels are. break precision.
I break rules
Yeah.
like candies.
I feel you, man. The discipline's the hardest part.
Mind the movement. We mastering this money mission, watch and learn. First time I stepped in, feeling fresh and free. Thinking trading's easy, that ain't meant to be. Paid my tuition through the losses, yes indeed. Till I found my family in the LTW. What you know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision. Precision plotting, properly positioned. Pattern recognition, got my mind conditioned. Moving militant with market mathematics. While amateurs panic, we stay systematic. Breaking barriers with calculated actions. Fast-paced phrases, Messi's price reactions. Stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical thinking keeps us invincible. Discord army, we
They took on NQ only based on when market open. They make both sideways moves on start.
Teacher taught us how to read and beat this. You know about patience when the
Yeah, the NQ opening can be exceptionally profitable, or else it can cause you immense pain. I've tried doing it now a few times. And wait for the 5-minute orb to be created before I even consider doing anything. But if you do get on the right end of it at the very start, god dang, it's a profitable trade. But that's just gambling, to be honest with you.
Patient players prosper through the market pain, while others fold we maintain, remain, retain. Technical precision, timing's everything. Moving with conviction when the bells ring. Market master making major moves. Building better patterns, breaking through. Fast flow matches how the price be running.
1 minute to 15 close. I think we're going to close right in this
Drop the wisdom daily.
tight little consolidation that we had before. So, I mean, obviously it's just a 15 close, so we can't say too much about it yet.
This is warfare waged with wisdom wide.
Hoping for the 30 not to close in there, though. Just saying.
Watch me work a wicked word selection. While my wallet shows the win collection. Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market mavericks, mind the movement. We mastering this money mission. Learn trade.
I will be interested to see what the government opening back up does. You know, if we get more movement, less movement, how it works. Maybe more movement to start. I don't know. We'll have to see here.
Watch me calculate.
Oh, profit you made on gold, you give the NQ?
Blood pumping mind.
I don't know, man.
I feel you there.
I had a friend that used to play poker that way. I've told this story before. I had a buddy that was a super poker player, and he'd go and he'd sit down at the tables and he'd play poker and he'd make money after money after money, and then he'd go and he'd lose it on blackjack. I mean, I don't know. You got to be careful you don't do stuff like that. Let's see what this 15 does. This is going to be interesting for this 30 close, I'll be honest with you. We come and we just put a wick on this candle. I mean, I'm not going to say nothing yet. Let's wait and see here. Interesting price action. Let's put it that way.
Oil is very range bound today. Even the 4-hour candle doesn't look well.
Keep telling me this. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Split-second decisions, crystal clear vision. No permission needed for this demolition. Competition wishing they could match my composition. Tactical, practical, mathematical mind. Strategical, radical, handling time. Watch me stack it, pack it,
What did you do for the weekend, Ray, holiday?
Baby shopping.
But you said you had fun.
Yeah, I did. I mean, I did. I did.
God, I hate shopping. I even hate grocery shopping.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll remove this here, guys, because we already know what that is. But this is the flip on the 15. If that makes sense. So obviously this is the flip on the 30 up, but the 15 has no bottom wick. So I'm wondering here if we'll see a top wick put down and then a bottom wick before this close here. Just kind of this back and forth banging action, sadly. Could see them both put on here, but see what the, of course we got the 4 hour closing next. There's a little bottom wick on the 15. This 4 hour is just flipping bearish and bullish, right? So the big old top wick. So that's an interesting candle there as well, right? And that 4 hour close is what we're getting in, 11 minutes. So let's see how she plays out here.
Look at the size of the bodies in the 4 hours. They're very unusual, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very
We had a big, yeah, we had big candles that came up, and then here we set. And these are the things that irritate you when you sit where I sit at. And this is the session I didn't trade. But it's all right. It's all right. When the session that you do trade looks like this, and the session that you don't trade looks like this, you say, come on now. Stop it, gold. But it's all right. I've learned my lesson with that one as well, so I'm all right. I'm all right. It will be fine. Let's go ahead and put this 0.5 in as a line here, guys, so that I can take this fib off here. So we'll just, that'll get some lines off the chart. The flip already happened on this 15, if that makes sense. See, here was the flip. So the bottom wick is being put on. That is the 0.5, so we're getting some of this mess out of here. And let's see what we can see here. Hopefully we can get something.
There's also a wickless candle all the way down at Asia high as well.
Yeah.
The range for the Asia session has a wickless candle down there too.
Yeah, we've got wickless all the way down. It was funny because when I came to the charts this morning, here I am putting on all these bottom wicks, all these wickless bottoms, and we had top wickless candles the whole way down here. So I mean, it was perfect move back down. I mean, perfect move back up, I guess I should say, from the move down that we had prior to this. So it was very, very nice the way it ran. It was clean the whole way down last time, the whole way back up this time. But
yep,
these moves always seem to happen during freaking Asia and London anymore. I know I said this. I wonder if it's time of year. Warner, help me out here. Was it this time last year? I mean, this time. Was it last year? I don't know if it's last year or the year before. Was it about this time in the in the year again? It kind of seems like it was. Yeah, I can't remember either. It kind of seems like it was, though, because I talked about how it gets slow for the holidays, and it seems like the only time that it moves is during London, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let's see what you got. Let me pull that up. I can't. Yeah, let's pull up the Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Well, you can't see them there, but all those wicks that you were talking about were there as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
In shadows, creeps in the night. Gold got a mind that don't act right. Fake calm, but it holds that rage. Sleep on it once, now you trapped in the trade. Flight to safety or panic play. One headline hit is a runaway. I'm up my levels with blood and care, but it still breaks hearts like I just don't care. Gold got mood swings, jumping out the gate. 1 minute smooth, next ceiling fade. Quiet like a whisper, then boom with a bang. Breaking all structure, killing your plan. It ain't just metal, it's a living flame. Dancing on dreams, never moves the same. Gold got mood swings, best stay wise. You blink once, there go your prize. News drop, spike, FOMC night fight. Inflation fears, oh rate hike tears. They'll jump 10 points just to shift the gears. You trading metal, you trading pride. It pulls you deep, then flips the tide. You thought it was done, now this is the start. Gold don't care about your fibs or your chart. I seen it pause for hours, then explode in seconds.
Let's see, we put the 15 wick on. Now we're probably going to put the 30 wick on. It's going to be interesting to see if this 4-hour close is bullish or not, though. I'm going to assume it probably does. Here comes that flip. Nothing you can do with it, guys. I'll be honest with you. I realize a lot of you are thinking, don't think here. There's nothing to think about. Nothing to do. Very nice, Paul.
Yeah, I'm beginning to see a lot of moves on the 1 minute before sort of it really starts going too much on the higher time frames. So I've been using what Josh has been teaching me, and I'm applying it along with all of the other knowledge. And it's, I have to say, I'm really liking it.
Beautiful, beautiful. That is great to hear.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
They rushing loud, I'm moving silence. Gold made me rich off pure compliance. Rules I wrote, now I live them slow.
This would be nice right here.
No fear,
Something like that. And then we can get a down whip, a flip, and we'll trade this thing long. Which on the 4 hour hopefully makes sense. That's a close. It'll be a close above, right? With a top wick to recover. For Werner, it'll be considered a 2 down. Failed 2 down, right? And that what we look at. If we got a doji here, close like this, you know what I'm thinking. And the reason I'm saying this that fair value gap, so they're going to come in short here. So we got stop losses above. So you get what I'm looking at here. This, I mean, this. Everything here would be super nice if we get there. It would be nice to get there, though. I'd like to see this gap filled right here so that they're short and then their stop losses are above so that we can run it back up. And you can see it on all time frames. So what's it look like here? Well, the same thing here. And then the 4 hour, you're looking at something like that. But we gotta get a closure for that to work. I mean, we're at a crucial point here, and we only got a minute left. Something else you can do with it, just say that it closes with just a super, super tiny top wick. What we can do is wait for the next candle to put on a top wick, come back down for the bottom wick, and then come back up for the top. But I would love that top wick to be here. I just don't think we're going to get it. It'd be nice. Like to get right there would be very, very nice. I just don't think we're going to get up that high. I don't think we got enough time left. Have to push awful fast.
Charts don't lie, emotions die when you follow what you know. Charts don't lie, emotions die.
You got to tell you guys, we've talked about several setups today, but nothing has came to fruition, right? For us to enter. So we've talked about what this could do in order to create a setup, or this could do to create a setup, but so far we've had nothing that's actually, you know, played out. And this is where the patience comes in at, right? Just because we talk about this and we say, well, if this happens, then we can do this. If it doesn't happen, then we sit on our hands, right? This is a perfect example of how we just chill. Here it is. I mean, this one's tough, guys. You want a nice bottom wick if you're looking at this at all. To about a 40, 45-ish. Pick. All right. Super tough here. We're pushing up instead. Need a bottom wick. I mean, I need a bottom wick. Maybe you don't. I do. Where do we expect to? TP right here. 0.5 of this candle would be our, I mean, not TP, but where are we going? Shouldn't say TP because obviously we're going to manage this trade, but that's where our first point is, right? But we need a bottom wick first. That's how we look there. Same again right here. What is that? The break of these highs, essentially this top wick. That's where your 0.5 is on your 4 hour. That's what you're looking at. What is this? Fake back down into the range, if you want to say it's fake out to move back up. Know this for sure? No, because we haven't broke the lows yet. Super hard to get involved here. 0.5 of this wick's about the same as the 0.5 of the wick that we had before. said, 40-ish ticks, 45 ticks, right? Plus we've got the tops. So again, I can't do nothing with it. I'll be honest with you. The shorts will come in here. This is what we were talking about. Here's where let's put the magnet on, like everybody keeps telling me. Magnet works well, guys. I'm glad you guys did bring that to my attention. But here it is. Here's where your shorts will come in at. Right. So that's the stops we were looking to hit with this candle. But the problem is we need an entry first. So we would have liked to seen them come in on this candle, really. And then a bottom wick and a top wick, but shorts will come in here for this fair value gap here, right? You want to see it better on the 5 minute? There's your structure. That's where they're coming in at, because this is all the same thing. Everybody will say, well, I don't trade the same because I trade smart money. Okay, good for you. Same areas, guys. There's your structure. Here's your structure. Whoops. Okay, I got to turn this magnet off. I see what you're talking about with trying to draw with the magnet on. Doesn't work. There's your structure. Blow this 5 minute out. There's your structures on your 5 minutes. It's the same. And you'll see that this is the fair value gap as well. And we go here. See it? Right there to right there. Same exact thing. Fair value gap is going to be exactly where the structure is. So fair value gap is nothing new. Not some new thing that all of a sudden, and I'm glad I'm going to lose all kinds of viewers. We do this every time because everybody gets their feelings all hurt, but it's the same dang thing, guys. All it is structure. All it is structure. That's all it is. What is this right here? Structure. Break out, come back down. What do? You create gaps on the higher time frame. That's all you do. Why? Because when you break structure, you have to break structure with volume. That's why you get, what do you want to call it? A vector candle, fair value gap, a single print on a TPO chart, all the same thing. No difference. Nobody reinvented the wheel. It's always been the same. This is why it's so easy to trade, guys. Not rocket science.
The problem is, reality, you need to deprogram 98% of all traders.
You're right. You're right.
I personally wouldn't say that it's easy as such, but I think that once you get the basic knowledge of market structure and liquidity, it actually does become easy. Learning that is hard, but the actual process, I have to say, once you get good and you understand, and you know where all the orders are, you know where the price is going, you just have to wait for the entry. So, yeah, I can't agree with you at the fact that it's easy. Hopefully in the next 12 months I'll be able to go like, yeah, this is easy. But again, like you said, it's not a matter of understanding head and shoulders and all that stuff. It's about understanding where it's happening at the market structure. Josh, he made a very valid point to me there on Friday. We're talking about pattern trading, and I've always poo-pooed pattern trading, and he made the very valid point. Pattern trading always works. You just have to find the pattern at the exact right time. So I thought, I never thought of it that way. And then me and him was doing a bit of a trading on the 1 minute, and the M's and the W's were just like, oh my god. So I have changed my mind a little bit on 1 minute and on pattern traders.
Yep. The whole problem isn't pattern trading, you know what I mean? Or head and shoulders patterns, or M's and W's, whatever you want to say. That's not really where the issue is. I don't think. Like, there's always going to be reactions there. Why? Because traders are entering, so you're always going to see a reaction. When I'm sitting here on stream, I've tried to tell people this so many times, and nobody ever wants to listen. But when I sit here on stream and I say things like, okay, here's the fair value gap, and we saw it right here. Here's the fair value gap, and when this gets tested, we're gonna see the move up. It happened. The reason that people get stopped out, I'm sorry, Mr. White, because I know you're talking about holding trades longer. The reason that people get stopped out is because they don't take profit. That's why stop losses get hit. It's not that their stuff doesn't work. Obviously, it works because people enter it. But what people don't understand about the market, and I don't know how it is to ever explain this, but if this is an area, you know, and we're going to say this is a order block demand zone, you know, it's going to be your W pattern, right? This can be your W pattern. This can be whatever you want to play this off as, right? If this pattern plays, why is it playing? The reason that it's playing is because people trade it, right? So we all can agree that once you hit this area, that people are going to trade it, no matter what we draw up here. And you draw it however you want. You can say, okay, well, this is the pattern that we played here. And this is fine too. I don't care what pattern it is, right? But this is all the same thing. Okay. But we have to agree that once this plays, you're going to get a reaction off this pattern, right? And that's the whole reason that when I trade, I'm looking for this. And just, let's make it red so everybody doesn't freak out about what it is. What are we always looking for? We're always looking for this bottom wick. Without this pattern playing in this area, whatever pattern it is, you never get that bottom wick. Never. So we are already aware that this always plays, right? Where the problem comes in at is once these traders enter, right? Let's just put a money line there. Once they enter, wherever they enter here, right? Once they enter, wherever they enter there, right? So your money comes in. What nobody understands is what now pushes this up? What pushes it up? Once you come down here, you get entered, bing, wherever here, and this initial reaction happens from this area. Why do you believe that your take profit now is here? Well, and we're just going to say this is the take profit, you know, wherever your take profit is, because this is what everybody wants to talk about. Whoops, did the wrong one. Sorry. Let's just go this way with it. Why is that? Why is it going to go there when all the money just came in here? What's going to push that up there? Whose orders are going to drive that up to your supply area? Where are the longs going to come from that are going to make that hit that so you can get your take profit? Why is it that everybody wants to look at it like this?
So all the traders come on.
Right? Like, why is this right here? How everybody says it just has to be traded. So you have to hold until here. But the problem is, what do you think all the rest of the traders that are trading here are doing? Holding until it hits here. So who's buying to push it there? If your reaction happens, and let's just say this is the end of the reaction right here, then why do we believe that price is going to tap there? What's going to push it there? Who's going to make that price go there? Because all the traders already bought here. So what's going to push this candle or the next candle? Let's just say next candle comes in, right? Let's say this candle opens up, comes down, or pushes up, whatever you want to say. Let's say we push up. All right, so we're pushing up, right? Just for the fun of it. But what's going to push it the rest of the way? Why are we going to continue to go up? Why does anybody believe that once this hit and all the traders went long here, that we're going to keep on going up? We're assuming that there's enough people who trade middle of the range long to go up. You know, who is it that's going to push this price up? How are we going to make this candle go to here? That's the thing. So trading, what I'm getting at with all this anyway, Paul. Shorts buying back. Shorts buying back. Yeah, but this was long though. This was long off this demand zone. You know, think a W, think a inverted head and shoulders, think a order block demand area, whatever, right? We always expect that we're going to enter here, we're going to get out here. And that's always where my issue is. Anyway, so what I was getting at with this, Paul, is yes, all these patterns work. That's what I'm getting at. The reason that I trade the way I do is because I expect this bottom wick. If those patterns didn't work and these people didn't enter, you'd never get the bottom wick, right? So all these things work. The problem is, instead of taking profit when this pattern stops working, let's just say that we made it up here to 50 ticks. Everybody needs this 100 ticks to go up here. That's why most traders fail. Because that reaction comes in, and then what happens next? You get a top wick, just like this. Exactly what I'm looking for, right? Here comes in your top wick. And then this candle flips and comes down, takes out the stop losses of the people that are here, and that's what I'm trading. If these patterns didn't work, I wouldn't be able to trade. If those traders, you know what I mean? If those double W's didn't play out and go up, and the noses break and go up, and these ranges break to go up, then I couldn't trade my strategy anymore because I'd have no bottom wicks or top wicks when we got into these zones. So they have to work, right? It's just they don't use not look good. They don't use them in a way, in my opinion, that is profitable. Not that they don't work. Does that make sense? What did he drop? I thought Man of the Woods dropped something. Thought I saw something. What did I miss? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I see. It's in. I see. So, does that make sense, guys? Hopefully that makes sense. No, I'm studying. Yeah, I just looked. I see it. So that you're absolutely right. And as long as you can play these patterns correctly, right, then you can definitely make money off of them. What are we doing here? The bottom wick still. What's 15 doing? Gotta pay attention. No bottom wick on the 15. Does that make sense though, guys? Hopefully. I mean, if you trade, and that's why I always say trade reactions. If you're trading these reactions and getting out and have a way to manage these trades as they go through, then absolutely you should be able to trade them, right? You should be able to trade these levels. You should be able to trade W's, M's, everything. I mean, that's what we did in crypto. Essentially, that's what a range is, right? That's all a range is an M and a W. That makes sense? That help, Paul, or does that not help? Did I make it better or more complicated? Okay.
Oh, no, every day it gets easier and easier. You just have to see it played out hundreds of times. No matter how much you explain this to us, unless people are actually here and watching what you just drawn us up and then watching it play out, that's the only way to learn. Like you said, once it is, I mean, the basic concept is actually quite simple. I just haven't got the ranges like you can do it yet. But the actual thing has been honest, it is something works. And of course, you need the patience as well. That's my big problem.
Yeah. Maybe one day when I grow up, I'll understand. You'll get it. You'll get it, Werner. It's going to be so crazy when you get it. I'll be honest with you, because you're going to be like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? And it's going to seem so simple and dumb. Our dog was barking.
Surprised my crowd's not going mad normally whenever they hear your dog talk. They start joining up.
But yeah, Werner, you'll get it. It'll be so crazy too. You'll be like, there's no way that I've been sitting on it for this long. Maybe if there was just a flicker of understanding, I'd agree with you. Well, maybe. I don't know. I wish I knew what didn't make sense. try to elaborate to try to help, but I'm not 100% sure what, you know what I mean? It doesn't make sense to you, unfortunately. I wish I knew. It would make it much easier. I mean, it's like this, right? I mean, you know what a fair value gap is, obviously. And right here was our gap, right? This is the fair value gap. And what do we expect once the gap was hit? We expect that the shorts were going to come in. And here they are coming in, right? I mean, these are just, we had no bottom wick, so we couldn't trade up into the stop losses. So now what do we expect? We expect the shorts to come in at that gap, right? What's going to happen next? Well, we don't know, but that's what we expected to happen. That's why we wanted, right? If this makes sense, this was the gap prior. Let's say this candle hadn't happened yet, right? That's why we wanted, and I'll blow this up a little bit, this to play instead. We wanted this wick to tap there on this candle, because now the fair value gap traders have shorted. So now where are their stop losses? Above here. Then we could have traded that candle back up. We could have traded long into their stop losses. It's really that simple, right? Had we had a setup, and what would the setup have been? This candle going down, putting on a bottom wick, and then flipping and coming back up. And then we could have traded into their entries, right? Here, and then into their stops. And we talked about the same thing here, right? Same kind of thing when we came down to this area, but we just hadn't got the setup or the entry to take it yet. Why? Because we're looking for them to come in. Now they're in, right? But we've got no bottom wick. We've got no way to enter this. So did they enter? Yes. What can we do with it? Nothing, sadly. Right now, there's nothing we can do with it yet. But they are, I mean, as Mr. Y likes to say it, they're trapped short right now, right? With stop losses above. So where are their stop losses? Right up here above this area, which is exactly where our 0.5 is on the 4 hour. See? Exactly where our target was. That's where their stop losses are sitting. That's what we were trying to trade into. However, we can't. Why? Because we didn't get them in before making the move up. Does that make sense, Werner? Hopefully. They probably get shook out without us getting involved is what's probably going to happen here. They'll probably get their stops ran, but we just don't have any. What are we going to do with it? How are we going to get involved? You know, here's a 15, another no bottom wick candle. For me, I just can't. I can't get involved, unfortunately. That's just my rules. Now, if you had another way to trade this, you have something else that works for you, then you can run it through. Nice. Yeah. Yep. So, Werner, does that make sense? I mean, that's just looking at how this price action is working here, right? So, and that the reason that I keep trying to point out the strat is because I know you kind of wrap your head around that. So that's why I keep trying to give you things that are similar to that. And you'll see once this hits here, you'll see these stops get ran. You'll see the scandal run through them if they get ran, which I'm not saying they are yet. And we're not in. We had no bottom wick. We had no way to get in this thing. All that happened was they got entered, and now they're going to get stopped. So it didn't even go their way. I mean, it did go their way for a very short period of time. That's the reason that I don't like to trade with the traders, right? Because this can happen. Does that mean they're definitely going to go up and run the stops now? No, not definitely. You know, we have to wait and see what happens here. But if they do, you'll see this reaction. You're going to see this reaction come in right in this area, in this boxed area here. You will see it push through there once they get to there. right in this area, that candle will really push. Right? And that's the difference. We talk about it all the time. That's the difference between stops getting ran and just, you know, longs or shorts coming in. This would have been our target had we longed. This white line here, but it should push through that pretty briskly here in about 3 ticks. And now I can't get it down to the second. I've already been told that.
Old G Flocky joke.
Yep, that's what it is. That's what it is. So let's see here, but this should be where it runs to their stops pretty much. I mean, like I said, we tested the high there, didn't run through it yet. So they're not completely out of hope yet, but I mean, in my opinion, they are. But for them, they still think they're holding. They just held their stop loss. Just held. They're still in this game. They said in the first time that we came 1 tick from a stop loss and didn't get taken out. Come on, here's where the hope comes in. They're hoping now. No, please, 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 I'll do anything. They're praying. They're doing all kinds of stuff right now. Please don't stop me out, please.
Yeah, I know that feeling well.
Held again.
Yeah, I'm watching it on the 1 minute. We're double top. And yeah, rejection so far, yeah.
And that double top, that's a good example. That's where shorts start coming back in. So on like the 5 minute, this is probably the top of the range. That's where the fair value gap players put their stop losses, and now the shorts come in. So where are they putting their stop losses? The exact same place. The double top traders now are putting their stop losses above the highs. So what does that mean? More money, guys. There's more money up there. The fair value gap traders will say, well, we don't put our stop losses in the same place as everybody else. We'll just wait for the chart to move, and you'll see you absolutely do. Because now they're in the exact same place. Everybody's got their stops in the same place. Does it push down? Maybe. It's Monday. Right? It's Monday. It can happen. This can hold. Not going to say it doesn't.
Early as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading 1 by 1. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down.
What do I expect? I expect to run through there. Again, we're not in the position, so it makes no difference to us. Hopefully, you know, somebody makes money. All right, Werner. See you in a bit, man.
This my daily move. Yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth. Yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right.
No bottom wick, no top wick. I wonder if that flips. I mean, it's a tough setup. It probably comes down to here first. This might be the flip. This could bring in the flip. It could come down here first, but if it flips, 3 minutes left. Yeah. Could be the flip that comes in here. Oh, we've got a little wick there too. Wow. Yeah, you can get free order flow on
Yeah, we're just talking about this
YouTube, yeah.
deep seek thing or deep chart thingy that we've been looking at, but 75 quid a month.
Wow. I've never thought any of that stuff was any advantage. I'm not saying that it won't be for some people. I don't know, guys. I never saw it that much of an advantage, but I just look at the candles. You already know this. It looks the same to me, but that doesn't mean that it wouldn't be an advantage to other people. But like Paul says, if I were you, I would try to take advantage of any free resources that I could, rather than paying. I mean, I guess it must be around $75 a month. If he said 75 quid, it must be about the same, I think. So that's, you know, that's an expense if you're not already getting payouts, just saying. So here, that's half month pay. Oh, $75 half a month. Holy moly, for real? You only make like $150 a month there, Mr. Y? What? $75 a month. That is madness. Jeez, child labor works for $50 a month. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And there's that reaction I was talking about, Paul. Essentially, that's enough down that, you know, if you took that double top, you probably should have, you know, already profited. But will them guys profit? No. You know, if it comes up and it hits the stop losses now, then you got to ask yourself, why did they hold so long? Why didn't they take the profit and go on? You know what I mean?
Yep.
I never understand that. So I think, yes, you can trade, you know, things like that if you get a better understanding of how to manage positions. You know what I mean? Sometimes you can't hold them. You already know what I'm talking about. If you can manage them correctly, you can hold them longer, and you can hold the ones that work and drop the ones that don't.
Yep. That's the trick. That really is the absolute trick of it all. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Don't get greedy.
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think the other reason that people hold on to trades for so long, it takes them so long to get into a trade, and they want to make the maximum amount of profit because they're not confident that they're going to get another trade. So they try to milk it. And I appreciate that, because I mean, I was doing the same myself, because I just didn't want to get out of this trade, because God knows when the next goddamn trade's coming along. So there's that element of it, I think, as well.
Yep. I also think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I used to have this issue, and this is why I say this, right? I think if people lose, and I don't want to call it revenge trading, right? But I think if people lose, I think they're a lot more apt to have to win more now. So even if they were being patient, they're waiting for each setup, they were taking profit like they should have. They're running their, you know, positions like they should, taking their profits, managing their trades. Well, now they take a loss, let's just say, and their loss is, you know, whatever loss is. Let's say that you took a $100 loss just for fun, and your trades are pretty small. You're only making $20 a trade or something, right? I feel like people try to hold now the next trade, even though they were only making $20 a trade all the trades previous. Now that they took that $100 loss, well, they have to win that $100 trade now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they have to win to, they have to hold to get back up. And I think that's a big problem that people have as well. I really do. So
Yeah. Definitely can confirm that as a newbie.
we got a bottom wick. A little bit of a bottom wick. Break of those highs. That's ugly. This ain't gonna work either. Because bottom wick there. Yeah, I am not a fan. On company normally pop firms close out trades. Yeah, a lot of them do. A lot of them do. The fake out right back into the to put this bottom wick on. You could. There's no top wick that didn't make to the 0.5. We got nothing here. Got nothing, guys. I mean, there's nothing I can do here either. Just saying. Top wick. You could try to aim for this bottom wick, but I'm not in love with any of this. I'll be honest with you.
Light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view.
Right back below London high again. I've been back into a range. God dang it.
Yeah. Seems like she is just banging around. Just banging around, guys. Any questions today? I'm not seeing nothing. Got no top wick there. No bottom wick there. It's just ugly, guys. It is ugly treading here.
Will you look at the Nasdaq for a moment, would you? See what you're seeing there.
Big move up. That was nice, I guess. Push out of that range.
I wish the 4 had closed the fair value gap before she took off, but you know, with NQ that doesn't always happen.
You got to tell you, one thing that we looked at, and you can check and see what you think of it. One thing that we used to look at is when these M's came in, a lot of times they fake into this area. I'm not saying that it will, but a lot of times that's what we would see happen.
Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat.
Does that make sense? This M. You're looking at M's and W's. A lot of times. Whoa, that's not what I was looking for. Wrong tool, sorry. A lot of times we would see. I realize this looks like a W. It always looks like a W. Look crazy, but a lot of times we would see this and this nose right here, this area that she kind of faked into. Not saying it's going to happen this time because there is a bigger structure in play here. This is at M, but you see how it did that? See how it came in, faked into this nose? Put out. So this is the same thing. Fake in right there, and then it came back down. This is what we noticed that NQ did a lot. And here we came back into this area again, fell back apart. Now this is kind of the nose of the M. Not saying that she's going to fake in and fall back down. Not saying that. You know what I mean? I'm just saying that that is what we've seen so many times. Structure comes in. I mean, you can see the M here, right? I mean, all it is a range. So I hate to say an M, but that's all it is, a range, right? So your M is here. Right here. Boom. Boom. However you want to draw it up, it doesn't really matter, but this is your M structure. And as you can tell, he faked right into the. Seen it do that quite a few times. I say faked into it. It's because you get these candles. Top wick, top wick, top wick, and then it flips and it falls down. Did this, no top wick, top wicks, flip, and it's down. Now, if we go right to where we are currently, I mean, there's a little bit of a top wick, I guess. So it's a little different, but these are the things that we kind of see happen. Not saying it's going down by any means. I don't want anybody to say, okay, well, I'm just going to trade it down now. Don't do that. But that's the kind of stuff that we've seen in the past and kind of paid attention to on NAS. So just something to look at. You got this structure right here that is so clean. So very clean here. Was that previous gap. I mean, what are you looking for? Are you looking for a trade up or a trade down? What are you thinking?
I'm still thinking trade up for the time being until something's failed spectacularly on the 1 minute. I started using that HPF indicator, if you ever come across that one.
I hadn't heard of that one.
You rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move, but let me share something with
All
you.
right.
Help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But
Yeah.
patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form.
All right. Does anybody have any other questions today, guys? We got 20 minutes till the 11 o'clock close, and I got to be honest with you, I don't see a whole lot here with it. We already know where everything is. Break of these highs will probably push up and grab this, but there's currently there's been no way to get involved. I mean, I realize in the 5 minute everybody's seeing this, and I mean maybe you play out for just like we were talking about, like Paul was talking about this W here on the 5 minute, right? Which would be again the break of those stops, be it breaks that range there, you know. But there just isn't much going on for a setup. There's no setup. We put a bottom wick on this candle just like we talked about, flip this high, break these highs. We can anticipate what's going to happen, but there's no setup to get involved. We just can't do anything with it. So at least I can't. If you can find something, very good. There's nothing for me here at all, sadly. Anybody got any questions, guys? Anything? I feel like the broke person. Yeah.
Yeah, Sydney and Asia is where it's all at this last 6-8 months.
Yep, I have to agree with you there. That's what I seem to see as well.
Yeah, but how many people is willing to start giving up their sleep and everything else to just start trading? Because I know I'm not.
No. I am not either.
I don't care what's on the line.
Maybe we should start trading Asia. Maybe you should start trading Asia. Mr. Y. Like I said, I could trade Asia, but I'm not looking to put more time in. You know, you come in, you grab your trades, and you continue on. There used to be a time that I was trying to trade, you know, Asia and London and everything else, and I'm not going to do that stuff anymore, guys. That's why I say one of my biggest downfalls with Leeloo for me is the fact that you have the 12 trading days, because I'm just not willing anymore to put time in like that. So sometimes it's hard to get that many trading days, and people are like, oh my gosh, 12 days, that's easy. You know, there's only 20 trading days in a month, and you have to take holidays out of that. Any bank holiday, you get one taken off. So it's not the easiest thing in the world, in my opinion. But I know for a lot of guys it is. For me, it's not, especially when we're going to doctor's appointments and things like that as well. So I think should break these highs here. Let's see what she does. Can we break them? Not quite. Not gonna break them. Who is calling me? Hold on 1 second, guys, all right?
Got a system, got a plan, we're trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, let's stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red.
All right, that was just a call from the doctor saying my x-rays are ready, so that is great.
And your next appointment?
I'm not sure yet. I got to get the x-rays and get them to another doctor, so that's what I'm waiting on. Does anybody got any questions, guys? Anything before we wrap up here? Like I said, look for the break of those highs. We'll see what happens. I don't see much of nothing. I'll be honest with you. Just a bounce around Monday. Anything? If not, I'm going to shut her down. I appreciate each and every... Yeah, absolutely. I thank you guys for showing up. I appreciate each and every one of you. Werner, have a great rest of your day. Paul, Mr. Y, Man of the Woods, PD, if you're still out there, have a great rest of your day, guys. And as always, stay consistent out there.
Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check and mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You moved too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's a mission. Learn, trade, win, a competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Learn, trade. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn, yeah. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that messed with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing, but I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves, that's how we do it.
You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro, stay on the track, watch numbers grow, cut through the shit, trust what I know, win bit by bit, put on a show, every move planned, nothing by chance, take my stance, seize my advance, quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits, getting paid, bring, charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick. Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community, backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't cards till they knew my name. This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.